racing just is started. We have Siamo, Pamilya, break quickly at the start. Burgundy, China, Sari outside, sailing away. Mayor Bulaklak in Ian's Melody. Then comes Mr. Environment, Maimpok, Patero 7, Forest Marshall, while Admiral Contender is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Burgundy. Down on the inside is Siamo, Pamilya, China Star moving up to take second. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Sailing Away. Ian's Melody, Maimpok in the middle portion. Then comes Mr. Environment. Alongside comes Mayor Bulaklak in. Then followed by Fatero's Heaven. Next on line is Forest Marshall. While Admiral Contender is still racing in less inside the 3 octavo. We have Burgundy, China Star. Then here comes Sailing Away now trying to get closer in third. Down in fourth is Siamo, Pamilya moving up. Mayor Bulaklak in. Down on the inside is Mr. Environment. Maimpok comes next, Fatero's Heaven. Then next on line now is Admiral Contender, Forest Marshall. And a long way back to Ian's Melody as they swing for home. We have China Star this time by about 3 lengths. Burgundy in second. Then on the outside now is Mayor Bulaklak in. Last 50 meters, it's all China Star. And finally, China Star. Mayor Bulaklak in. Burgundy, Sailing Away, Admiral Contender, and Patero 7.
Alright, 684.